Hey, Kaden. Hey, what are these? Are these animals?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of animals are they? So you're trying to open the packet? Okay, let's see. What is this? Keely, do you know what this is?
Panda.
Oh, this is panda. How about this one?
Lion.
Lions? Oh, nice.
Oh, look at this stick.
There's like one packet and 2 packets of powder. Okay, these are probably like the mini versions of like what I have like showing online. Like, so animal zoo gummy from Kracie packet, right?
Yeah, open it.
Yeah. Let's see here, this one. This is a strawberry, probably.
I want
What
strawberry.
does this look like?
I like strawberry.
This one look like a lemon. Lemon. So, yep, lemon. Man, this is tough. Like, there's like 2 packets, one in yellow. Yellow is probably the lemon. And then the strawberry is a pink. And then we'll take it apart and put it into the mold. So, I am guessing the pink color, you separate it into, put it into like little compartment.
Sister, can I take yours?
Kaden and Keely are trying to make these by themselves. They're just choosing their own color randomly and then put it in there. And the last one they tried to make, see, half yellow, plain, and half pink. So they just filled out the candy into the mold. There's like 2 half mold, and then once they push it together, and then it will combine it and then make it into this. So concentrated. Say hi, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
Kaden. Hi, Kaden. Oh.
Hi.
Mommy. Can you see? Ooh, what's that? You only made half of it? So busy, so busy.
Mama. I can make 2. So I need more.
You need more? Okay.
No.
Oh.
No.
It's okay.
No.
It's okay. You guys share, okay? It's okay. You guys can share.
I want to share my puppet.
What do you need? Do you need more of these?
Yeah.
You can combine these together. You okay? Kaden, what are you making? Bunny? Yeah. One more time. Keely, what are you making?
Elephant.
Elephant? Oh.
Why is it sticky?
Even though the packet, let's say that it's panda and lion, the inside stuff is not necessary, this 2 kind of animal. Wow. But the back, they showing like different kind of animals too. Like giraffe, bear, lion, panda, elephant, cat, bunny. So there's all kinds of different ones that you can make. But I guess these 2 are combining color, so they mix the yellow and the pink together.
Hey.
Well, whatever they like.